Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jara, and today you guys, I have a unboxing from Victoria's Secret. She's gonna tell some secrets today, y'all, because I want to show y'all what I got. Okay, also I want to share a few things with you that I purchased from Coach Outlet. So if you want to see what I got, keep watching. All right, everybody, what's happening? What's up? What you guys what have you guys been into? This is a Saturday for me, and I'm just here at home, and I wanted to share some of my time with you guys. I wanted somebody to talk to, so I decided to come on to YouTube and show you guys a few things that I purchased lately. Right now I am just unboxing some stuff real quick, unbagging a few things so that we can get on with it. Let's start with Coach. Get rid of that box. All right, so let's talk and have fun, shall we? First item from Coach. I have this. It is a notebook, and I have been wanting this notebook for a while. This is my second one. This is in the brown khaki. And then here's what the inside of it looks like. And this will be my second notebook. Here's the first one in pink lemonade that I purchased maybe a year ago. But I always wanted this color. This is my favorite color in the signature print from Coach. The khaki color is my favorite. Second thing, in this little box right here, I have, let's see, a pair of socks. I just wanted these socks. Let me see, it's attached. They look like, cut this off real quick. Right, they look like that. So yeah, I want to try these socks with my Birkenstocks come this fall. So I sure will wear these socks right here with my Birkenstocks. I can't talk. Let me get something to drink. Ugh. My mouth is kind of dry. All right. Refreshing water. I'm trying to stay hydrated. All right. Next thing is a bucket hat. Look like this. I have been wanting this hat for a while. Here's what it looked like. The khaki color. Yeah. So, let me see. Should I try it on? Y'all want me to try it on? Alright, I will. For you guys, I will. All these little tags are hanging from it. Let me see what I look like. I'm gonna mess up my hair.
Oh my God!
Ooh. Let me see. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder here instead of looking at you directly in your eye. I have to look over here. It's like a little mirror I can see. What y'all think? It doesn't look good with my moo-moo on. Like I said, it's a Saturday. I'm at home. I'm comfortable just being myself and wanted to spend some time with you guys, okay? So don't judge that I came on here in my moo-moo. Look, I like it. Okay, so those are the three items. Oh, y'all, you know what? There's some other stuff from Coach that I wanted to share with you guys, all right? I have two more items I want to show you that I purchased a while ago. So hold on. All right, I have 2 handbags and 1 accessory that I wanted to show you. So I almost forgot about these items. I was trying to make this video not long, but I have to include these 3 items in this video. Here it is. This is the Coach camera bag, and I will be doing a what's in my bag video or a bag reveal or something like that with this little cutie right here in the color, I think it's bubblegum. I also had purchased, but I showed this in one of my previous haul videos, the little card case that I purchased from Macy's. So let's see. Yeah, so I got this. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail right now because I don't want to make this video real long, because a lot of times, y'all, people don't stick around for long anyway. So, but I don't care. I'm gonna do my thing today because I'm a little bit talkative. All right, the next thing, brand new. This is the denim signature field tote 22, the black denim, and she looked like this. Ain't she cute, y'all? So you will be seeing this bag in the future. Then the last little item, I had to have this little cutie pie right here. This is the teddy bear. Like this. This is made out of resin. This is the pink one, the latest one that they have out right now. There he is. Look at him. So cute. I did think before, when I look, it has a little stripe on the side right there. Can y'all see it? I think so. Anyway, he's so cute. So those are the 3 items from Coach that I wanted to share with you. I can't count. More than 3. More than 3. 1 teddy bear. 2 socks. 3 notebook. 4 camera bag. 5 field tote 22. 6 the bucket hat. Yes. So those are the items from Coach. So if you're still with me, continue to watch, because I want to show you what I purchased from Vicky, who is going to tell some secrets. Hold on. All right, so in this box right here, bye-bye, I have a rollerball perfume. This is Bombshell, what is this? Passion. Bombshell Passion. I already kind of like opened up the box a little bit. Let's take it out. Let me see. I purchased this blind buy, y'all. Let's see. Okay. I do not know what this smells like, so this is my first time smelling it with you guys. Let's see. Rollerball. Let me see. I'm gonna put a little bit right here on my wrist. A little bit on this wrist. Let's see. It's leaking a little bit. It's like the box got wet. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but yeah, it's really watery. But let's see. Oh, I can't describe right now what it smells like. Kind of like a deep floral, I think. I like it. So there's that. Next item is the wristlet strap that looks like this. I first saw this on Dazzle Me 77, her channel, and I had to have this. Okay, wristlet strap. And then I'm really excited about the next 3 items. All right, so I got the extra large wallet. It looks like this, in this newly released color, I believe, from VS. It looked like this. I love this color. This is one of my favorite shades of pink. This beautiful, bright, almost not quite Pepto-Bismol, I'm gonna say fuchsia raspberry color pink is my favorite shade of pink, y'all. So the inside of this looks like this. This is my first time having one of her Victoria's Secret's large wallets. So this is my first. It's like a continental style zipper wallet. So cute. You will see this in the future. All right, there's that. And then this is the glam bag in the same color. All right. So pretty. It's big. This bag is big. Let's see. I do like the way it looked though. Here's the inside. Here's the larger main compartment here. Look like this. And then I will show these things again in the future in more detail. Last but not least, I want to show you my first bag, like handbag of any kind by Victoria's Secret. It looks like this. This is the bucket bag. And I do not have many bucket bags in my collection. I kind of wanted to look at a bucket bag from Gucci, maybe even Coach, but I wanted to start off with this. I did pay full price for it because I forgot I had coupons. I spent $80 on this. So we'll see how I like it. You will see this in the near future. I'm hoping that this big wallet will fit in here because I want to do this black and this bright pink fuchsia color right here. So we'll see how things go along with this. So the bag is made out of vinyl polyurethane. Honey child, I can't even get this thing open right now, but you guys get the gist of it. You'll see it again in the future. All right, everybody, that is it. So I'm excited. My Coach, my little hat. I hope I didn't leave my hair all mashed up when I took this hat off. But anyway, that is it. Thank you, everybody. Thanks for joining me. I highly appreciate you guys. I noticed that I have more subscribers. I'm slowly growing. I'm happy about that. Stick around because there is more to come. Thanks, everybody. Mwah, 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 mwah.